Good old London. Good old London. Oh, I can't beat some filtering though. How long is this going to take, Matt? It might put you out your comfort zone a bit, but obviously if you don't feel comfortable filtering, don't bother. To get to where we're going, it will be an advantage, but I'm not pressing you. If you don't want me filter, tell me and I won't. I'm going to filter here. Are you coming? To be fair, you don't really need to move your mirrors in, mate, unless it's tight gap, but wait for you around the roundabout. Here's another tunnel! You're an asbo!